Friends, in this video we will understand about HTL SLY resource. HTL SLY resource helps to include result of a resource from a path specified. The sling resolution and rendering process will process the indicated resource from path and result will be included. Say we have file data SLY resource is equal to path to my resource. So during execution, the path to my resource file will be getting executed and its content will be included as part of the SLY resource. We can mention various methods for referring the resource path. Some of them are shown below. We have also options to modify path using selectors as @selectors, @add-selectors, @remove-selectors. I'll be giving a demo of all these things in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.